So to appeal for the restriction, you visit www.facebook.com/account quality. Then you click on the restricted assets. So it's going to take you to the page where you'll be able to appeal for a restriction. So Facebook might ask you to first confirm your identity. So you click on the confirm identity. You can allow that to load up. Okay, so you begin the process by clicking on continue. Then you do the reCAPTCHA and verification that you're not a robot. So once you verify this, it's going to ask you to verify your phone number or email. Sometimes it might ask you to verify both. So for this is our phone number. So they're going to send the login code to confirm. Okay, so that's the login code. Click on next. Then you upload your government issued ID card. It must be a valid one. So then after you upload, you click on continue. Then the request has been successful. So currently it's now on review. So if you look up there, you see that it's been requested and it's currently on review. So it's going to take, like, let's say 24 hours or more for them to give you back a feedback. And for this case, it was restored successfully. So this user can now advertise on Meta. So this is how to recover a restricted Facebook ad account or Meta ad account. All right, so do well to like this video and share.